Hey there friends, it's Melanie with Lost and Found, and I'm going to show you guys real quick today what it looks like to wet sand a piece of furniture that you've painted with Fusion mineral paint. Wet sanding is my new favorite thing. It produces the most amazing, luxurious luster and softness on your piece of furniture, and it also is the perfect way to do really subtle distressing and really authentic distressing. So here's what you need. You need one of these great little Fusion sanding pads. I've got some blue shop towels, and then I've got just a cup of water. So follow along and I'll show you how easy it can be to do. You're going to take your sanding pad and completely submerge it inside your cup of water, and then buff in small circles using very, very minimal pressure. That's how you kind of work your way across the smooth surfaces. Then, once you've gone over the entire surface, go back with your blue shop towel and you're just going to wipe up all of that water and the residue, the little bit of paint residue that you sanded off. Be sure to work in sections just so that you can make sure you're wiping off and not letting the water sit on your paint too long. Then you can repeat, go back along the edges, apply a little bit more pressure if you would like, just to get some nice distressing along the edges. But the key is to really keep that sanding pad very, very wet. So really the key when you're wet distressing is a lot of water on your sanding pad and on your furniture. Work in small sections so you can go back and wipe it up. Keep it from dripping down the piece of furniture. Don't use a lot of pressure, very, very light pressure, and buff in circles, and then along the edges where you want to see more distressing, then you can use just a little bit more pressure. But I promise you, the first time you do this, it's going to be amazing, and you're going to want to do it with every single piece you paint in Fusion mineral paint from now on.